Good morning, everybody from RV Air. It's Eddie Rice, and I am high up in the air, which means I'm in a fifth wheel, one of my favorite type of units to go camping in. And now I really do know what it feels like to be a basketball player. Those guys are really tall. Anyway, so today we're going to be replacing the filters called an AC-160G. This is in many of the motorhomes, fifth wheels. It's a real high-end type of a unit look, and we sure like the idea that we built the right filter for this. So we're going to get started right away by showing you how to pull the grill out and get started. Now with this particular unit, they come 2 to each air conditioner. So people call me all the time and say, well, how many do I got? It's 2 to each air conditioner. If you got 2 air conditioners, you're going to have 4. If you got 3 air conditioners, you're going to need 6. If you got 1, you need 2. That's all, pretty simple really. So here we go. So this is AC-160G. You can see they're long, they've got these nice oval corners to them. They're just really nice looking units up in the ceilings, okay? This one's in a brown color, so it's a little harder for me to see. But basically, we've got the same thing as we have in all filter grills. We've got the little tabs. We're gonna push in on those. We're gonna pull them down, and yes, this is a brand new unit. You can always tell there's dust left in them still. And with that said, we're going to pull out this black giant mosquito catcher. Everybody has had them. We all know what they are. And after they wash them a little while, they start looking like this and they start looking like that, and you know, forget about it, okay? We're going to show you what you need to use. Ta-da! AC-160G. And I know you're going to say to yourself, what does the G stand for? Well, it stands for green, because these filters are what they call directional airflow filters. It's designed to let the air come in through the white first, and as it works its way up, the weave gets tighter, so it really gets the small dust. And then as well, because there is an anti-microbrial in these filters, it kills the mold spores that are coming into the RV. Very important for a duct unit like these all are now. You don't want that mold sitting up inside those ducts. So with that said, here we go. So we're going to pull them out of the package like this. And let me just get one out real quick here. These things are really sticky. See, when they're sticky like this, that means that tackifier is on them. That means that's what's holding the fine dust. These filters, usually you're going to look at them every yearly and replace them, or 90 days of consecutive use if you're a full-timer like some of us are. How are we going to install it? Green side up. Always remember that, green side up. And the nice thing about these filters, if you can see this on the inside of these here, you see they got these like little tiny tabs on them. I don't know, you may not be able to see that in the camera here, but they're really great. They just grab the filter like it was made of Velcro, and you just put it on there like that. Notice that it's a perfect fit. Yes, we are a good company. Okay, and then we come up here and then look up here and you can see all this reinforcement behind the grill, okay? So you don't ever have to worry about the filter getting sucked up inside the air conditioning system, which means that you could be going after there looking for it for a while. And that is an issue with those little thin black ones. So we've got that in there. We're going to push that back up in here. Like I said, I don't have my glasses on, but that looks like it's, oh, that's it. Ta-da! We did it! Success 101. So all I did was, you saw it, and you're good to go. Thanks for seeing us today.